what's up you guys? I'm Mandy from the Oh My God Legally Fat. So okay, the other day kita dah unbox Maybelline. So today I will be unboxing the next box. I will do all the 3 boxes in one shot. Let's get into it.
So this is the thing. All 3 boxes in one packaging.
Tu lupa nak cakap, dia ada 4 boxes actually. I bought number 1, 3 and 4.
The reason I tak beli number 2 is because I think the items macam whatever.
So this is supposed to be box number, if you all can see, next mystery box number 1. Okay, for box number 1, yang dia janjikan adalah lipstick, slim eye pencil, foundation, eyeshadow and lip cream. Barang dia cuma comel je. I mean, what do I expect? Dia kata the first item supposed to be a lipstick. Dia kata ada 2 lipstick and lip cream, but instead 2 freaking lipsticks. So number 1 is MLS01. It's a matte lipstick. I don't know what shade is this. Oh, it's here. It's a nude. It's just a nude.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna like the color. Can you see? Promise. Addition to my collection.
But I think it's too light for me. Mati dia bila?
Because people, again, like I said before, ada banyak orang complain yang benda ni
Oh yeah, manufacturing date is 2050. I'm not sure. I think can lah kot, boleh lah, because I'm a hobo. This is the colour. I mean, oh, dia tak pick up the colour. Corally nude.
Let's watch it for y'all to see. Oh, why is it pink here? Oh, ada pink pula.
Kalau dekat dalam tube ni, it's coral. Another one is this one. It's summer breeze. It's gonna be like super pink. It's like literally pink. Like as you can see pun macam hot pink, tapi actually it's just like normal pink. This is the pink. Bright pink, like super bright.
I'm not sure how I would use this because I don't like pink. The nude also is like super pinkish, but we shall see.
A lip liner. This one is in 2016. I have to be savage. Dolly pink. Okay, this is the pink.
So, okay, this is the liner.
Function dia adalah untuk lipstick tadi ya. So this would go well together. Seperti yang dijanjikan, slim eye pencil. No, this is retractable eyeliner. It's mechanical instead of slim eye pencil. Messed up gila. Also 2016 in purple.
Y'all wanna make me a freaking Barbie ke anime ni color. Masya-Allah.
So this is the thing. The eyeliner. Oh, doable untuk like cosplay punya style ke apa, I don't know. The last item is the foundation. Expected lah kot yang ni. So I got this one. Stay matte but not flat. In Creamy Natural SMF04.
It's oil-free, water-based, full coverage, mineral enriched matte finish. Liquid foundation.
To be honest, I'm not sure about the color. I might be doing a look with all, not all lah, but most of the items. Also, this is 2015. You see, dia punya dalam ni pun dah bengkok bagai. Is it supposed to be bengkok? I don't know. I think it would be a cool undertone instead.
Y'all can see that.
I don't think I can use this color. I don't think I can use this shade.
I cannot use this. Maybe it's too much kot I put dekat my hand, but like still.
I think with good blending sponge and technique, instead of using my hands, my fingers, I think it would work. Tapi dia pinkish tone. Maybe masa time I buat that look, I would test it out also. They are generous enough to give me a pin. Okay, that's for box number 1. Let's go to the box number 3. Box number 3. Box number 3, supposedly I akan dapat a liquid highlighter, mechanical eye pencil, lipstick and eyeliner. So 4 items only for the same price.
So kita tengoklah whether or not I'll get all the 4 items correctly.
Loosely packaging. Holy tamale. Oh, I did get 4 items and also a repeat. Let me cry.
Let me cry.
I dapat another pin. Yay me. So I have 2 pins now. For the first item, dia kata I supposed to get a liquid highlighter, which I did. Away we glow. Oh, what shade are you? Crystal Glare 2016. I think I'm gonna like the colour, but
I'm just gonna shake it because it's been so long inside this tube.
y'all can see it's like moving around. Oh, the applicator is like this. Dia macam like berus jamban. I'm sorry, it's like berus jamban. Dia ada hole in the middle. The best description yet. Applicator yang macam berus jamban. This is the creamy AF. Kinda subtle. Dia macam sheen. Dia not glittery, which is good. Very good. Slightly glitter.
Eye pencil. Again, syrup tangan, the purple one. Retractable eye pencil 2016. So I takkan open this because I dah show the swatch to y'all.
Next cup. Why? What is this? It's a lip cream. Dia salah kotak I think.
Instead of lipstick and eyeliner, I got this.
Simply Pink lip cream in French kiss. Oh, something yang meng-irk kan adalah dia dah langgar the thing 04. Simply Pink 04. Also 2015. Why lah weh? Why?
So it's broken. Dia macam like terkeluar. Yep, it's broken.
It's a defect item. Why? Hopefully tak keluar. Walau weh, super bright pink. So creamy, betul. But I wish it would be in like super dark colour, the ones, the vamp version. But instead I got the pink one. Why? And then the last one is Ombre Lip Duo in the shade Pink Bubbles and Caviar. Yeah. The lipstick and lip liner. This is the thing inside.
Tulisan ni tak nampak sikit sebab dia like metallic silver.
What is point? The dark one is the lip liner. Y'all, horror y'all.
You know, dia dah macam like berkulat ke apa tu? Ada like white stuff on it.
Not gonna swatch that. Oh, so this one pun dah macam like depan dia dah macam menggerutu. Okay. Nope.
I don't know if it's like dah squash dalam ni ke apa. Maybe lah. Colour is fine lah, but super pink and like I don't know.
The only thing I like is this one. Box number 4. So for box number 4, I am supposed to receive a slim lip pencil, lip cream, eyeshadow, concealer and eyeliner. Yeah.
Seperti yang dijanjikan at first box eyeshadow. Nope. Not it. Nada.
So this one, I am not sure if I ever get an eyeshadow. Tapi kalau dia bagi single pun apa salahnya tak?
Let's see if my prayers work.
So this is the packaging. Wait. Ooh, Thank you Lazada and next. Yeah. This is the third pin. So let's go for the number 1 slim eye pencil. There's no freaking slim eye pencil here, but instead
Lip liner, Dolly pink again. Same thing, I takkan buka sebab tak nak repeat.
let's go for the lip ones first. Simply Red lip cream in the shade of Russian Roulette. Oh god. Manufactured in 2015.
This is the colour.
Kind of like the Maybelline one. Cool undertone red. Yep.
Dia janjikan sikit lip pencil. No. Oh, it's like the lip pencil is just now. Okay. I'm the wrong one here.
Eyeliner. So instead we got, what is this? Lip smacking fun color in Indian pink. 2015. Oh, it's like,
I think y'all cannot see quite begini, but like it's metallic.
yeah, it's metallic. I don't think it can pick up the color, but like coral with gold dust. I kind of like this one though. Walaupun dia pink, it is nice. Next we have
Acorn. Same
Gotcha covered concealer, waterproof in Ivory.
This is the one.
Ooh, pink undertone. I see this one and this one will fit. Super thick and oily. I think that's why the waterproof, because it's oily.
I've heard about the eyeshadow. Ada orang dapat like single eyeshadow.
I get this. Full Throttle in Stunner.
Oh, nice.
Dia just ni tak ada brush or whatsoever. Pada kau lah. Also tak ada nama juga for the shades.
This one, and then this one. What? I don't like that one. What?
Okay, this one, she's this one, chalky. Okay, powdery. So this one is dual chrome. This one cantik, sangat buttery and soft. Dia punya shift is like purple grey and maybe a little bit of black. So nice, seriously. Sheen teal colour, cantik juga, sangat okay. Dua-dua ni pigmented, and then the final one, the brown one is kinda, I think it will be patchy lah kot nanti. Pigmented lah juga, but chalky lah. So that is all the items for all the 3 boxes. That is all for today. I will use these items. I will incorporate and do a look. For now, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like this video, please I don't know, share ke apa ke, comment down below. I will list these items punya benda dekat bawah in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Thank you so much.